Have you ever wondered about the recent updates in Windows 11 and how they can transform your experience with your computer? Well, in Sunday's Windows SIG discussion, a slew of exciting and essential topics will be covered. Sit back, relax, and allow the world of technology to unfold. First on our list is the fresh Windows 11 update. Microsoft has recently released an update with 29 changes that are sure to enhance your user experience. Among them, Moment 5 features stand out, offering a new level of convenience and functionality. Next up, there are 27 tips and tricks about Windows 11 that you need to know. These pointers range from shortcuts to hidden features, all designed to make your navigation smoother and more efficient. Notepad in Windows 11 is finally receiving a spellcheck feature, a long-awaited update that promises to minimize those pesky typos and improve your writing. Starting next year, Windows 10 updates will no longer be free. This change may impact your decision on whether to stick to Windows 10 or upgrade to Windows 11. Copilot in Windows is another topic that deserves attention. This feature can significantly simplify coding by suggesting lines of code as you type. The new Outlook for Windows has been revamped, and there's a lot you need to know about it. From a new user interface to improved features, this update guarantees a more streamlined experience. Microsoft has decided to discontinue Publisher, a decision that impacts many users. The reasoning behind this decision will also be discussed. Ever wanted to get PC notifications when you take a photo on Android? There's a way to do that, and it will be explained. For those who are starting their journey into the world of computers, a concise guide on learning computer basics will be provided. Ever wondered if cloning your hard drive would work in another computer? That question will be addressed, providing you with a clear understanding of the process. The issue of e-waste is growing 5 times faster than its recycling rate. This alarming statistic calls for attention and action. Tired of wasting time creating Excel formulas? ChatGPT could be the solution. This tool can simplify your work and increase your productivity. In recent tech news, Yahoo has announced the acquisition of Artifact, marking a significant move in the tech industry. The FCC has officially raised the minimum broadband metric, a change that promises to improve internet speed and reliability. Lastly, a guide on how to add Bluetooth to your computer will be provided. This feature can unlock a whole new level of convenience and connectivity. In summary, Sunday's discussion covers a wide range of topics, from the latest updates in Windows 11, essential tips and tricks, and other tech and Windows news. It also includes guides on how to enhance your computer experience and recent tech news. These insights are designed to keep you informed and help you make the most out of your tech experiences. We hope to see you this Sunday, April the 14th. John Krielmi, Indian Poi Sun Yan Gek Yen.